Hello everyone, I am Rajendra Ashok Deshmukh. Today's date is 26 April 2022 and today's our Viva topic is explain the major difference between compiler, interpreter and assembler. So now we can see this difference. Before understanding the difference, we can see the concept of three types of interpreter, compiler and assembler. Compiler converts the high language program into machine language at a time. Interpreter converts high language program into machine language line by line. And then next, assembler is convert assembly program language into machine program language. In the programming language, computer is a set of instructions to perform a certain task. The program can write in a assembly or machine language. And this is we understand. This language is understand easily to programming, but machine cannot understand this language. Machine understand only the machine language or is the binary language, that is 0 or 1. That's why this process is required to convert programming language into machine programming language. Next we can see major difference in between three concepts. First is compiler, second is interpreter, third is assembler. First we can see compiler. Compiler converts high level programming language into a machine programming language. Interpreter converts high level source code into a machine source code. Assembler converts assembly programming language into a machine programming language, as code programming language. The compilers can scan the program before run a code. Interpreter assembles the program before the code, and assembler convert object code source code into object code. The compiler intermission of object can not done. In an intermission cannot be done. And assembler object can convert it source code and source can convert it into machine code. Compiler take less time at execution as compared to interpreter. Interpreter take more time for execution as compared to a compiler. Third is assembler. Assembler take more time at execution as compared to a interpreter. Java, C++ is used to compile. An interpreter, Python, Perl, SQL are used. In assembly, the gas and UNI is language is used. Is this given I have say is a major difference between compiler, interpreter and assembler. First most important rule is the compile converts high language program into machine language program. Second, interpreter converts at that same time high level language into machine code language. And next is assembler converts assembly language into a assembly program language into a machine language. Is this the major difference between three parts? In Java programming language, the machine understand only the binary language. This should be contains 0 or 1 or these three concepts are convert this procedure. Is this all of I have said to related the today's our Viva topic is explain the compiler, interpreter and assembler. Thank you everyone. You have watching today's our Viva topic. Thank all of.